Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming basic power and connections because most failures are simple. Plug into a working outlet and flip the switch. Next, visually inspect the cord, plug, and any inline fuse for frays or discoloration. Replace if compromised. Once done, ensure the tip is properly seated and the temperature control and LED respond. These first actions separate wiring or user issues from internal faults and get you ready for the internal diagnosis. You now open the handle to access the heater and electronics. Make sure you note screw locations to reassemble later. Then use a multimeter to measure continuity across the power input, switch, and heating element. A broken element or open switch indicates replacement. Also test the thermocouple or temperature sensor resistance. An open or wildly wrong value will prevent heating control. Finally, inspect solder joints and PCB traces for cold or burnt connection. You proceed to replace any confirmed defective parts. Heating element, thermocouple, switch, or damaged wiring. Use matching specs to maintain safety and performance. Once repairs are complete, reassemble carefully, secure strain relief, and power on at a low setting to verify gradual heating. Make sure the tip reaches the target temperature and the controller responds. If you still see erratic behavior, double-check ground, sensor wiring, and connectors. That single bad solder joint is often the cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.